Have you ever thought about booking a Wowcher Mystery Holiday but stopped yourself because you weren't sure if they're actually good value for money? I've booked one, and by the end of this video you'll know whether it's worth taking the risk. Hey, how you doing, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I've booked a mystery holiday for me and my son. It's a 2-night break with flights and hotel included, and we're flying out from here in Manchester. I booked it in the Black Friday sale. I paid £79 per person instead of the usual £99, but once everything was added on with the extra cost of flying from a regional airport, the total cost for the two of us came to £258 for 2 nights. So this is the Wowcher Mystery Holiday page that I booked from. They've got a few different versions on here: standard mystery holidays, Christmas markets, trips, all-inclusive options, but I went for this one right here, the regular mystery city break for 2 people. At the time I booked, the usual price was £99 per person, but because it was a Black Friday sale, it was down to £79 each. You can see here exactly what's included. 2 nights away for 2 people, flights and hotel included. Went through the checkout and paid £79 per person, so that's £158. Once you've paid, the app now gives you the reveal online. They used to do this over the phone, but it looks like they've changed it, so it's all done in the app now. So straight after paying, this screen popped up with where we were going. I'm going to keep the destination blurred for now, but this is where you first find out where your mystery holiday is actually going to be. After the reveal, you're taken to another page where they offer to change the destination for an extra fee. On my booking, there were options like Agadir in Morocco, Alicante, Barcelona, and a few other options, all at an extra £20 per person on top of what I'd already paid. So after I claimed the deal in the app, I got a phone call a couple of days later from REVOLUT, the company that actually handles these Wowcher Mystery Holidays. They rang me up, confirmed the booking and go through the flight times and sort out the hotel booking. Now this is where these deals can get a bit more expensive. The pressure of upsells on these phone calls, offering you a more central hotel. If you say yes to everything, that £79 quickly becomes a lot more expensive. But if you know where you're going and you know the area that you're staying in, stick to your guns. Now in Manchester Airport, it's early morning, it's about 4 o'clock, and we get ready to go into the airport lounge, get some breakfast and have a drink. I'm going to try and do a bit of filming in the airport lounge, but I do know this one does have some limits on you being able to film, so if not, I will see you as we're ready to board. So here it is, the mystery destination is finally revealed. We are in Berlin. We flew into Berlin Brandenburg Airport, and we've took the train into the city, and now we're heading to our mystery hotel to see what £258 actually gets you. Right, so this is our hotel. This is Leonardo Hotel in Charlottenburg, which is a suburb just outside of the city centre of Berlin. But let's head inside and see what we get for our £258. So here is the room that we've got as part of our Wowcher Mystery Holiday. So it is a twin room. We did initially have it booked as a double, but this is for me and my son, so we asked them if we could have a twin room. So 2 decent sized beds, some water, not much of a view, decent sized TV at the end. There's a little bit of a tablet going on there so you can check on room service, and you got tea and coffee making facilities. And then into the bathroom, sink with a decent sized mirror, your toilet, and your shower. Yeah, so that's the room that you get with this Wowcher Mystery Holiday. Not too bad actually, quite impressed with the size of it. It is a little bit out of the city centre, but it only took about 20 minutes on the tram. So after checking into the hotel, we got a train back into the centre of Berlin. It took about 20 minutes and cost €4 each. We did the usual tourist things of looking at all the landmarks and the historical sites dotted around the city. And if you do come to Berlin, you really do need to try the traditional currywurst, which was absolutely beautiful. And as you can see from the footage, it had been snowing. It was absolutely freezing, around about -9 degrees over the few days we were there. So if you do come in the winter, make sure you're prepared with all your hats and scarves and gloves. Okay, so let's recap exactly what we got for our £258 Mystery Holiday package. The flights were with Ryanair from Manchester, outbound on a Sunday morning at 6:30 AM and flying back at 7:35 on Tuesday. That early flight gave us almost 3 full days in Berlin. The hotel was the Leonardo Hotel in the Charlottenburg area. It's not right in the main city centre, somewhere like Alexanderplatz, but the public transport makes this no problem whatsoever. But now the big question, was £258 actually good value for the flights and 2 nights, or would it have been better to book it myself? So let's break down the numbers. I paid £79 per person, so that was £158 for the 2 of us, and then there was an additional £50 for regional airport fee to fly out of Manchester Airport, meaning a total of £258. Now if we booked this exact same trip myself, flights would have been £172 for the 2 of us and the hotel would have been £124, so a total of £296. So with the Black Friday discount sale, we saved £38 compared if I'd have booked it myself. But here's the important bit, if I'd have booked this on the non-Black Friday sale, it would have cost £298 for the same package, meaning it would have cost £2 more. Now that's just for this specific trip to Berlin from Manchester. You might get a much better deal if you're flying from one of the London airports, so you don't have to pay the regional supplementary fee. So next up, we'll look at the pros and the cons, the good bits. It's fun not knowing really where you're going to be going until it's been revealed in the app. Everything's sorted for you, the flights, the hotel in one package. A downside is the cost up front does go up more if you book from a regional airport like Manchester or Leeds or Newcastle. But I think we've got a pretty good deal in a nice city where there's plenty to do over the 3 days that we're here. So is this mystery holiday worth it? These mystery holidays work best if you can grab a sale like the Black Friday or if you're flying from a regional airport. They're good if you like a surprise and don't mind a bit of flexibility on the hotel location, but if you're looking for something specific, you are probably better off booking it yourself so you know exactly what you're getting. So that's my honest opinion on the Wowcher Mystery Holiday that I've booked. Let me know in the comments if you've tried one of these mystery holidays and how it's worked out for you. Was it a bargain or was it a disappointment? Please leave a like on the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future Berlin videos. I've got a full hotel tour of this Leonardo Hotel. I've also got a video on the top things to do in Berlin. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.